Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanankar and today date is 5th February 2022 and today our topic is to abstraction and encapsulation. To see one by one, abstraction and encapsulation is the to use the in abstraction and encapsulation to use the to provide the security of the in application. And then so abstractor is the divided in two types. First, abstraction is the to hide the whole information or whole data in, but only shows the functionality of the user. Here, for example, the car only show we show only car and internal process but not identify anyone. For example, the show only car, show only car steering, show only car in gear, show only car in brake, but actually brake working, actually steering working, and actually gearing working internally process is we don't know anyone. Hence, abstraction is the divided by two types for the security purpose. First one is the abstract class and second one is the interface. We see detail. First one is the abstract. Abstract class is the to do not provide security in 100%, which provides security 0 to 100%, 0 to 100%. But abstract class is the to but abstract class is the used to another methods and private abstract method. Then abstract class is the also to used in Java. Abstract class is used in Java to hide the overall information or hide the overall data to the security purpose, but only show the functionality of the user. Then abstract class is the to provide abstract class is the to access data. For example, to sending SMS one person to another person. We type the SMS in inbox, then send the another person. But internally typing process or internally sending process is not anyone, not don't know anyone. Then the another process of the ATM machine. We want to collect some money, so go in ATM, stop the ATM, and then to enter the password and enter the amount of the collect cash. But and to ATM gives some money, but internally process of the internal process in ATM we don't know how to collect the cash and how to generate password. This internally programming process is not anyone, not know anyone. Then second one is the then second one then syntax of the abstract. Here abstract syntax is the to create class abstract name before used abstract keyword, then to create abstract method and before used abstract and as requirement 2% used concrete method. For example, syntax of the for example, here abstract class e1, then open curly and abstract while show, and we want to create concrete method to abstract while show, then open bracket closing bracket and to give the semicolon, because this method is stop there. The definition is not create, but we want to another method we create in abstract class. So we want to allow show the first one is the to create white display method and to show the enter SOP as system.out.println high, so which is allowed there. Then abstract class is the to use concrete method object, but abstract class is the abstract method is not create any object. Then another ways of the abstract class is the used in do not use multiple inheritance, because abstract class is the used to extend keyword. Then abstract class, then another ways of the interface. Interface is the to use interface is the to use to access the data. Interface to use another ways of the to access 100% abstraction, because here is not allowed any concrete method, only used abstract method. Abstract interface is the allowed in security purpose. It is also used in hide the overall information, hide the overall information, but only used user of the functionality. To syntax of the abstract method abstraction is interface is to syntax of the interface class 1 and void directly public void show. Here this interface is the not allowed any another concrete or static method, but before 8 version, but another 8 or 9th version is the used static or concrete method allowed in interface. Then encapsulation. Encapsulation is the part of the Java, and it is also used to security purpose. Encapsulation is the to hiding or binding, wrapping the all data in the single unit as purpose to security. Here in for example, in capsule the overall data is the used in single unit. Then another example of the car. The car is the overall engine, car is the overall part are the wrapping in one car unit. For example, two car batteries, car accelerators, car engines are binding in one single unit. Then the encapsulation in the used in Java to overall data or overall information. These are collect or binding or wrapper in single unit and in single class for the security purpose. Two, encapsulation is access two types. First one is the to actually two types. First one is the to create private method or private class, and second one is the used setter and getter method. Firstly, show private method. If you want to use the encapsulation in private, so create class and then use the in private method in the class, and then do not access anyone. This is the method. Then second one is the setter and get method to create class and create setter method and there to use data, and then create getter method to access this data. This overall information of the abstraction and encapsulation. Thank you.